So now come to lecture number 2, example number 24. Example 24. Question is find the smallest. Now smallest number is there. It means LCM. So find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 12, 15 and 20. Okay, 12, 15 and 20 will find now. Okay, so see, come to solution. To find the required number, you have to find the smallest number. So to find the required number, we find the LCM of 12, 15 and 20. First take out the LCM of 12, means by prime factorization. So 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 1. So prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now take out of 15. 3, 5, 5, 1. Okay. So prime factorization of 15 will be 3 into 5. Now last number is 20. So 2 times 10 is 20, 2 times 5 10, 5 times 1 5. So prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. So I can write this way, and I can write 2 square 2 to the power 2 into 3. I told you whenever you write in LCM form, you just write like this way. Okay. So first we will find the LCM. So LCM of 12, 15 and 20 will be what? I told you in LCM you have to write least common multiple. Least common multiple. So see, in this 2 to the power 2, in this note 2 is there, in this also 2 to the power 2. So common number is there, so we will take any one because both power is same. In LCM, whenever you find common number which power is more, you just take that number. Here its power is also 2 and here its power is also 2. So that's why I have taken 2 to the power 2. If its power will be, if 2 to the power 3 and its power will be 2 to the power 2, then I will take 2 to the power 3. Why? I told you in earlier classes also, whenever you find common number in LCM whose power is more, okay, we have to take that number in LCM. Now see, here 3 is here also 3, here no 3, so only one 3 is there, power is also 1, so we will take only one 3. Now come to this, here 1 5, here also 1 5, both power is 1, so we will take only 1 5. Now multiply. 2 to the power 2 means there is 2 2, so that is 4 into 3 into 5. 4 into 3 12, 12 into 5 60. Okay, so just we will find 60. So this is your only answer. LCM of your smallest LCM of 12, 15, 16 is 60. You have to find the smallest number. So therefore the smallest number will be what? 60. Smallest number equal to 60. Okay students. Now I will go for next example. Example number 25. Okay, so now come to example number 25. Page number 66, example number 25. Find the least number which when divided by 6, find the least number. Okay, find the least means you have to find LCM. Which when divided by 6, which when divided by 6, 8 and 18 leaves 2 as remainder. 2 as remainder. Okay, leaves 2 as remainder. So see, first we will find here LCM of 6, 8 and 18. Okay, and question is after you have to find the least number when it will divide by its leaves as remainder. Now whatever LCM will come from 6, 8 and 18, in last we will add with 2. We will add 2 in that. So first part what we will do, we will, okay, so to find the least number, okay, we find the LCM of 6, 8 and 18. So by prime factorization you have to find 6. 2 times 3, 3 times 1. So prime factorization will be 2 into 3, 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2 and 2 times 1. So 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2. So there is 3 2. All is 2. How many 3? 3. So I will give the power of 3. It shows that 2 is 3 times. Now last is 18. 2 times 9, 3 times 3 and 3 times 1. So 18 I can write 2 into 3 into 3 is there. I can write 2 into 3 to power 2. Now I will find LCM of 6, 8 and 18. So see, first here is only 1 2, here 2 to the power 3 and here is also only 1 2. So I told you in LCM, in least common multiple, if the same number is there, if the common number is there, whose power is high, whose power is more. Here power is 1. Okay, here power is 3. Here power is also 1. So we will take this 2 to the power 3. Then give the multiply sign. Now come here. Here 3 to the power 1. Here nothing is there. Here 3 to the power 2. Common number is there, but whose power is more? This power. So 3 to the power 2. Now no number is left. Okay. So we will multiply. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 3 to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into, sorry, 3 into 3. Now multiply. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. And 3 into 3, 9. And 8 into 9 is 72. But question is, find the least number. So least number we have find. Now we have to find the required number. When it divided by 6, 8 and 8, you will leave 2 as remainder. So in starting I told you, but after finding the LCM, we will add 2 to it. So therefore, the required number will be 72 plus 2, that is 70. So this will be your answer. Okay. So I hope whatever example I have explained for exercise 28, like example number 22, example number 23, example number 24, and example number 25, with the help of this example, you can easily solve exercise 28. Okay. Again, I am just telling, if there is greatest, maximum, highest, then you go for SCM. When there is least, lowest, okay, then you go for LCM. In next classes, I will start chapter 8. So for now, goodbye to all.